Yep, just got done loading this piece of shit Cadillac. See that? I only hit it a couple times. It wasn't my fault though.
I mean, don't forget
The bucket and the door it got really close and somehow it hit it. And then the mirror fell off. It was magic. Let's see if we can get the mirror off the other side. I'll fold it in first though. Here, can you hold this? No, don't cover the end. You gotta hold it down here like this. Hold it tight. Hold it tight, okay? But you gotta keep videoing what's in front of us. Is everybody clear? Right now Taylor's taking out her eager. You can see Taylor? Yeah. Oh yeah. Screw that Cadillac. You got a video, Taylor? Is that what you're doing? You gotta go around the long way to get to the other side. Keep videoing. Gotta keep it in front of us. There you go. Let's see if we can go fold in that other mirror. Think we can get it in? Oh man, we got pallets in the way. Who put them there? Idiots. Alright, let me fold in that mirror. Ready? You gotta shine it up there. Up there. Ready? We're gonna fold that mirror in. Ready? Nice and gentle. Oh yeah, you see that? Look how gentle that was. We didn't even fuck it up. Oh no! Oh man! Oh shit! Look how good that mirror's held on. Did you see that? We just about picked the car up with it. Look at oh no! It's got a dent in the hood. Oh man! I'm not a very good operator, am I? Oh god! I didn't mean to. It's just so. Oh shit! Number stuff. Shit! Oh man! Oh god! Oh shit! Oh no! Oh, supposed to be up there. Oh, you see what just happened? You see what just happened?